Most people using GoMining are leaving money on the table and they don't even know it. In this video, I will show you 5 proven tips that will help you squeeze out every single Satoshi out of your mining power without spending a fortune. And tip number 3 alone can increase your profits by up to 20% alone. Whether you have just started with GoMining or you have been mining Bitcoin for months, these strategies will help you earn even more Bitcoin. And the best part is you can start applying them today. And now let's start out with tip number 1, and that is to upgrade your miners the smart way. This is very important, especially if you have multiple miners like I do. As you can see, I have one miner that has 17.6 terahashes, one that has 4, another one that has 14, and another one that has slightly over 10. So when it comes to upgrading your miner, do not just upgrade them randomly, simply because you are going to be leaving extra Bitcoin on the table. The best way to upgrade is by simply upgrading the miner that already has the most amount of terahashes, simply because you are going to get more power for your buck. Alright, so let me quickly show you. Let's start out with my lowest miner. This one only has 4 terahashes. So when I press upgrade, and we're gonna stick with the standard upgrade of $39.99. If I upgrade this miner, the ROI is 45.52%. and I'll be getting an extra 1.32 terahashes. Remember those numbers. And now let's go over to this miner right here that has over 17 terahashes. We are going to stick with the same upgrade, and as you can see, the ROI is slightly bigger, 45.86%. And when we calculate how many terahashes we'll be receiving, you are going to see that we are getting a little bit more, 1.33 terahashes instead of 1.32 on this miner. As you can see, both the amount of terahashes that we are getting and the ROI are slightly bigger by simply upgrading the miner that has the most terahashes. So if you have 2 miners and you do not know which one to upgrade, simple answer, upgrade the one that already has more power. Tip number 2, use the reinvest feature to compound your earnings and your power. This is something that I personally did not do in the beginning, which I believe was a mistake. I missed out on a ton of power and a ton of earnings as well. So to turn on the reinvest feature, simply go to your setting and then press on reward and setting. In this feature, you are going to have multiple options. You can have the rewards be reinvested straight into GoMining tokens. That way you can buy new miners on the marketplace, use the GoMining tokens for whatever you want, or you can have it reinvest into power. That is what I have right now. And if you select to reinvest all your profits into power, you are going to get an extra 5% bonus, which is not bad at all. As you can see right now, I'm getting 0.09 terahashes worth of power every single day, and this is being compounded. So tomorrow it might be 0.091 or 0.095, and over time it will grow higher and higher, and I will continuously get more and more mining power. And did I mention you can play around with this feature? You can have it set to auto reinvest into power for 1 week. You can have it reinvest into GoMining tokens the next week, and so on. You can play with these numbers to get the best results. But overall, compounding is key if you want those long-term gains. Tip number 3, efficiency is key. The more efficient your miners, the more money you're going to make in the long term. My efficiency right now is 19.01. If you look at all of my miners, you will see that most of them have an efficiency of 15. Only this one right here has an efficiency of 27.94. So when you are first starting out, when you are creating your miner, or when you are buying one on the marketplace, make sure to look for miners that have very good efficiency. 15 right now is the lowest efficiency you can get, and it is the best one in my opinion. This way it makes the entire process very simple. If you get a miner on the marketplace that has 35 efficiency, over time you are going to have to upgrade that efficiency to bring it down. That is what I had to do with this miner. It was 35 efficiency, so I had to spend money to get it down to 27. But if you start out with a miner that is already at the lowest max efficiency of 15, then you can strictly focus on upgrading the power, upgrading the terahash in order to mine more Bitcoin every single day. Miners waste a lot of electricity, so the more efficient your miner is, the longer it is going to run. You don't want to get a miner that has 35 efficiency and then a year or two later it has to be downgraded or replaced simply because it doesn't mine enough Bitcoin. So bulletproof your mining setup, get a 15 efficiency miner upgraded, and stick to the plan. Tip number 4, take advantage of all the free tokens that you can get with the GoMining platform. So from your dashboard, simply press on the chest in the top right corner and you are going to see this screen. Make sure to always participate in the raffles. It is free. And check out the bounty program. This is where you can get free tokens for simply sharing and helping the platform grow. For example, if you invite friends and they make a purchase, you get 50 points. If you are popular on Reddit, you can get 100 to 200 points per task, which is definitely a lot of points. Also, they have the weekly Telegram quiz, and if you send 10 meaningful messages in their Telegram group, you can get 2 points. The more messages you send, the better. And if you share their stuff on X, formerly Twitter, you can get anywhere between 5 and 320 points per day. And then obviously if you watch their YouTube video, you can get a point. All of this will add up. And let me quickly show you how many tokens I have accumulated using the bounty program. As you can see, just last week alone, I was able to earn 89 free GoMining tokens. Then the week before that, I earned 32 tokens. Then the week before that, 83, 95, 52. Every single week I am earning free GoMining tokens by simply completing the tasks in the bounty program. These tokens can be used for just about anything on the platform. You can use it to create new miners, you can use it to upgrade your efficiency or to upgrade your power. And now let's put those tokens to good use. We are going to upgrade this miner. We are going to press upgrade. We are going to select this option to see how much more we are going to be making every single day. So with this upgrade, I'll be earning an extra 5 cents worth of Bitcoin daily, which is not bad. And we are going to get 1.33 extra terahashes. We are going to press next. You can pay with your debit card, Visa card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, or you can use crypto. They have stable coins and a ton of different options. But for this upgrade, we are going to use the tokens that we have earned in the bounty program. So we are going to press instant. This will cost us 80.95 tokens, which is not bad at all. Pretty much the amount of tokens I earned last week from the bounty payout. And we are simply going to press pay. We are going to confirm, and within a matter of seconds, the miner is upgraded. Now we have a total of 48.02 terahashes, and this miner is closer and closer to the 20 terahash mark. So do not miss out on the free tokens in the bounty program. And finally, tip number 5, track your progress and adjust accordingly. You have to track your daily payouts, the efficiency changes, and the price of Bitcoin. And you always have to be ready to adjust your strategy based on the current market. When the price of Bitcoin starts falling, consider reinvesting heavily. When the price of Bitcoin reaches all-time highs, consider cashing out some profits. But overall, it is important to stay on top of the game. Be informed, watch videos, learn as much as you possibly can. That way, when something happens, you'll be able to adjust your strategy in order to make even more Bitcoin. Remember, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It will definitely take some time for you to build up your mining power, for you to start making good amounts of money using this platform. But if you stick with it, in my opinion, it will definitely pay off in the long term. So do not let your mining power go to waste. Apply these strategies as soon as you can. And if you haven't started with GoMining yet, click the link in the description box below and start mining Bitcoin every single day. Get those payouts daily. So that is all I have for this quick video. Let me know in the comment section below, what strategies are you using to earn more Bitcoin on the GoMining platform? Share those ideas below. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.